Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, quick look at the daily chart, and you can see still the high. The current high is 46.19 half. Traded back. It's been a fight really on. It's really a fight over 4,600 with 8 or 10 handles on either side of that, but it keeps gravitating back towards the roundy. So as we look on the hourly chart, you got 4,600 here. You can see they took it up, they took it down, and it all just kind of keeps coming back to 4,600. The majority of the overnight stuff gravitated back to that point. So as we get into today, the hourly mid-band is sitting right around 46.02. You want to see whether you're the bulls or the bears, you want to take control of that line. You can see the bulls are trying to do that. If you're the bulls, you got to take out these highs, wander things up towards 46.20, 46.25, 46.30. If you're the bears, you want to control 4,600 and try to make a run back down. You had a couple of looks at 86.87 yesterday here, and that held. So you've got 87 support, and you want to break that if you want to get back to get a look at the weekly pivot. My concern for the bears is your best look at the weekly pivot might have been yesterday unless you get some kind of news. Now remember, you got a bunch of catalysts. You've got the Fed announcement tomorrow and a press conference. You've got jobs on Friday. So there are a lot of unknowns that need to be known. And what I was saying to everybody in the room yesterday was, look, there are going to be moments where this thing wants to move. There are going to be other moments where they're really going to whip and churn people around depending on what's going on. So understand that is happening because you have gigantic unknown data points that are coming out this week. FOMC, jobs report. Those are biggies. And you're not going to see a lot of big commitment one way or the other until that stuff gets sorted out. So when it's churning, that's a huge reason why. So I'll be interested to see what kind of opportunities we get today. I expect it to remain whippy and choppy, especially off the open. I expect things to continue to gravitate back towards 4,600. I got volume weighted average price linked up with the hourly midband at 46.02. Daily pivot is 46.0392, which is linked up with our proprietary moving average. Then you got the 5-minute mid at 46.06. So, it's all, like I said, 8 handles, 10 handles on either side of 4,600. And neither side seems to be in any kind of a rush to expand that range. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon.